Welcome to the tutorial Fast Python for Dummies. In this tutorial I am going to show you how to download Python and how to code your first basic print. And for downloading it, you can just type download Python in Google, for example, or in another searcher. And when you go to this first link, you can find this web page, and you can click here to download the latest version for your operation system. In my case, it's Windows. And once you install, you are gonna look for it. For example, here I look with Python, and you need to open the IDLE. And this is the IDLE of another version that I had, and this is the new one. And when you click on it, this window opens, and well, for starting with the very basic thing, you can type this print, example, hello dummies, and you click enter. That's it, it's there. And as well, you can use the editor. This is the Python shell. Actually, through the videos you will understand how it works, but for today it's just a basic print. And you click in file, new file, and you type the same, actually, print hello dummies. But when you are coding in the editor, actually you need to save it. You cannot run it directly. You can click here, save as, and I have some special location for that. I type in here Python course, and you can first print, and you can run it either here, clicking here, or you can run it as well with F5. That's it. You can see is there your first print on Python. Thank you very much, and see you in the next videos.